Hello friends, welcome once again to ASMNOF Online Maths. In this video, we shall solve this problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. So we have the square root of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. To solve this, you can decide to square both sides of the equation. Alright, so you have to square both sides of the equation by writing x minus 1 in the square root all squared is equal to x minus 1 all squared. So to solve this, you can decide to cancel the square root with the square so that you have just x minus 1 equals x minus 1 into x minus 1 because of the squares. Opening the bracket, we shall have x times x is x squared, x times minus 1 is minus x, minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So this is the same thing as x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1. So we have x squared minus 2x. The x to the right hand side comes to the left, it turns to minus plus 1. Then minus 1 crossing over turns to plus 1, everything equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this has given rise to a quadratic equation which we can now factorize. Just form your two brackets equal to 0. Think of two terms you multiply to get 2. If you add, you have minus 1, minus 3. Of course, it's going to be minus 1 and minus 2 because minus 1 times minus 2 is 2. And minus 1 plus minus 2 will give us minus 3. So the two numbers we are talking about are minus 2 and minus 1. Then when two things are multiplying each other to give us 0, it means that either the first one, which is x minus 1, is 0, that means x is 1, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, that shows that x is equal to 2. Hence, the values of x are 1 or x is equal to 2. Okay, you can decide to put it in this equation to see what it will be. Once you put 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 is equal to 0. If you put 2, you still get 2 minus 1, which is square root of 1, which will also be equal to the same thing at the right hand side, to tell you that the solution is correct. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by your lesson app. Subscribe to ASMNOF Online Maths YouTube channel.